Hey guys, I'm on the Carnival Dream. We're docked in St. Thomas. Let's take the camera into port and do a little walking tour and check out this port. Come go with me. Picture of it.
Back to back, okay? Back to back like this, yeah.
Like a big gondola coming down off the top of that mountain. There goes 3 up right here. Turn around, there's the MSC ship. Breeze right back, not the Breeze, but the Dream right back behind us.
Voice at all, so I'm thinking you're doing something. I said, I don't know.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry.
Like to go to have a little band set up here in a little while. Hey, let's see if we can. Hey, there's another. There's the Dream behind us. We're in
St. Thomas.
Yeah, I forgot. Been to so many ports. We're in St. Thomas.
Rocks are cheaper here. Just got a curiosity. If they're... Look at these.
They sell Crocs. Lots of gift shops.
Let me just look in here. This is Iguana Jacks. This looks like a cool store.
Iguana Jacks. Yeah, it looks like 3 ships, one right in front of the other. That's MSC. There's the Carnival Dream that I'm on, and I can't tell what the last one is down there. It's blocked by a building, but that's 3 big ships in town. Gone.
Everybody will be gone.
St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little walking tour of the port here in St. Thomas. Hey, good little port, very clean, lots of shops. Not real big, but there's plenty there. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Hey, check out my other cruise videos. Till next time, happy cruising.